Why the Philippines has many islands by F. Landa Hocano. A long time ago, there lived in the hills of Samtoy, ancient name of the Ilocos region, two huge beings, Angalo and Angarab. This husband and wife were so big that when they walked, the entire island shook. In those days, the Philippines was not divided into small islands. It was made up of a wide, solid piece of land, which extended as far as the tip of northern Borneo. One day, Angalo and Angarab went to gather clams in the southern end of the island, which is now in the Sulu area. When they opened the clams to eat the meat, they found sparkling stones inside. The luster of these pebbles caught the fancy of the couple. They gathered more clams and removed the brilliant stones. When they had collected a considerable number of the glittering pebbles, they started home. Upon arriving in the middle of the island, the question of who should have more of the pearls arose between the couple. This question stirred a quarrel which ended in a fight. They stamped their big feet and shouted at each other. The pressure of their heavy steps, added to the vibration of their angry shouts, sent the mountains and hills falling apart. The land leveled and cracked, and when the fight got serious, big pieces went flying to all directions. The scene of the fight was horribly smashed up. This became the Visayan Islands. The enormous pieces that went flying in other directions became the islands of Luzon and Mindanao. So this is our vlog for today, guys. If you think this is informative and helpful about why the Philippines has many islands, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and see you in our next video.